Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic AI agents. So let's get started. What is the primary characteristic that distinguishes agentic AI from standard chatbot LLM interactions? The correct answer is option B. The use of iterative reasoning cycles to plan and execute tasks autonomously. In the ReAct Reason plus Act prompting framework, what is the purpose of the observations step? The correct answer is option C. To incorporate feedback from the environment or tool output back into the reasoning chain. Which architectural component is most critical for an autonomous agent to maintain context across long-term multi-step tasks? The correct answer is option B. A vector database for external memory retrieval. Which framework is specifically designed to facilitate multi-agent conversations where different agents take on specialized roles like coder and reviewer? The correct answer is option C, AutoGen. What is a significant risk associated with recursive loop patterns and autonomous agent workflows? The correct answer is option B, infinite execution leading to excessive API costs and resource exhaustion. In the context of LLM tool calling, what does function calling typically involve? The correct answer is option B. The LLM generating a structured JSON object that matches a predefined API schema. Which technique involves the agent generating multiple potential paths to a solution and evaluating them before proceeding? The correct answer is option B, tree of thought taught. What is self-reflection in an autonomous agent workflow? The correct answer is option A. The process of the agent checking its own output for errors and correcting them before finishing. When designing an agentic workflow, what is human-in-the-loop (HITL) primarily used for? The correct answer is option C, providing manual approval or guidance at critical decision points. Which of the following describes the plan and execute pattern? The correct answer is option B. The agent creates a full list of steps first, then executes them sequentially, potentially replanning if needed. What is the role of a system prompt in an agentic workflow? The correct answer is option B. To define the agent's constraints, tools, persona, and operational logic. In CrewAI, what is the manager agent's primary responsibility? The correct answer is option B. To orchestrate task delegation and ensure the workflow progresses toward the goal. What is the context window limitations impact on autonomous agents? The correct answer is option B. It restricts the amount of past history and retrieved data the agent can consider at once. Which of these is a common security vulnerability in agentic AI, where an external tool output manipulates the agent's logic? The correct answer is option B, indirect prompt injection. What does tool retrieval refer to in large-scale agentic systems? The correct answer is option B, dynamically selecting the most relevant tools from a large library based on the current task context. How does LangGraph differ from standard LangChain chains? The correct answer is option B. LangGraph introduces cyclic graphs, allowing for more complex, iterative agentic loops. In autonomous workflows, what is state management? The correct answer is option B. Tracking and persisting the progress, variables, and history of a multi-step task. What is the primary benefit of short-term memory, working memory, in an agent? The correct answer is option B. It allows the agent to remember the immediate steps and results of the current session. Which of the following best describes task decomposition? The correct answer is option B, breaking down a complex goal into smaller, manageable subtasks. What is an orchestrator in the context of LLM agents? The correct answer is option B. A central logic component that coordinates tasks between multiple specialized agents or tools. Why is sandboxing critical when an agent has access to a code interpreter tool? The correct answer is option B. To ensure the generated code does not harm the host system or access unauthorized data. What is emergent behavior in multi-agent systems? The correct answer is option B, complex patterns or solutions that arise from the interaction of multiple simple agent rules. In an agentic workflow, what does grounding refer to? The correct answer is option B, ensuring the agent's responses are based on factual, retrieved information or specific data sources. Which prompting strategy is most effective for an agent to solve a math word problem by showing its work? The correct answer is option B, chain of thought, COT, prompting. What is the purpose of environmental feedback for an autonomous agent? The correct answer is option B. To allow the agent to adjust its next action based on the result of its previous action. In the context of agents, what is JSON mode? The correct answer is option B. A configuration that forces the LLM to output valid JSON for reliable parsing by software. Which concept describes an agent's ability to learn from a history of successful and failed attempts within its memory? The correct answer is option B, in-context learning/refinement. What is a reasoning trace? The correct answer is option B. A recorded sequence of thoughts, actions, and observations generated by an agent during a task. In a master-slave or leader-follower agent pattern, what is the role of the follower? The correct answer is option B. To execute specific subtasks assigned by the leader and report back. What is the primary trade-off when increasing the max iterations allowed for an autonomous agent? The correct answer is option A, better accuracy versus higher latency and cost. Thank you for watching.